Good news, everyone. You can now move to the world's richest country. This country is now hiring foreign workers to take up key roles in the labor market, and you can apply for these jobs and get it with full visa sponsorship. You can move with your family. If you have dependents, you can go with them, like your spouse and children below the age of 18. They can join you to start a new life in this country. In today's video, I want to show you these key employers in the country that have vacancies that you can apply for immediately. Send your CV to these companies, get hired, and move down to Luxembourg. These companies offer full visa sponsorship and relocation support for some roles. So do check it out, watch to the end so you can see all the employers I'll be sharing in the video. If it's your first time here, you're welcome. My name is Jackie, and here I share information to open your minds to opportunities that are available to you abroad. So do subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications so next time I share a new video, you'll be notified and you get to watch it. If you'd like to have a one-on-one consultation with me where we're going to talk privately over a call for your own personal needs to move abroad, then do send me an email or you use the links down below. If it's your first time here, please do comment. It is my first time in the comment section, and I have something very special for you. If you want to make $1,000 every month from the comfort of your home without doing anything, then I have the perfect opportunity for you. Here you're going to have a monthly income without doing anything. Have you ever heard of passive income? That money that comes in without you having to actively work for it. That is what I am talking about. So let me tell you exactly how you can make $1,000 every month without doing anything. You can start a publishing business on Amazon KDP. Amazon is the biggest e-commerce platform in the world with over 2 billion active users every month. So they have the customer base that are waiting for you to publish your books so they can purchase them from all around the world. You don't need to be a writer to do this. You're not writing any books because you're publishing public domain books. These are books that are best-selling books globally and are highly in demand at the moment. All you need to do is buy these manuscripts that have already been formatted, edited, and ready to publish. So you buy your manuscripts from www.stackly.com, you publish it on Amazon KDP, and Amazon pays you every month forever. I started my publishing business over 6 years ago the same way, and I still get paid today for doing nothing. When you buy a pack of manuscripts, Stackly is going to give you a free training that is going to be a step-by-step guide on how to start and how to be successful in the business. It's going to show you how to create your KDP account, how to publish your books, and how to get paid to your local bank account anywhere in the world. You also get the privilege of joining an exclusive publishers group that has publishers from all around the world. So when you buy your pack of manuscripts from Stackly, do send me an email so I can add you to the group. Stackly currently has 4 manuscript packs you can buy. There's a pack of 30 manuscripts, 60 manuscripts, 150 manuscripts, and 300 manuscripts. Feel free to buy any one you can afford, but I highly recommend the pack of 300 because obviously that is where you get to make the most money, and that is exactly what I did. I got my 300 pack of manuscripts from Stackly over 6 years ago, and I am getting paid every month for doing nothing. So buy your manuscripts from stackly.com, publish your books on Amazon, sit back and get paid every month forever. All the links are in the description box below, or send me an email and I'll share the information with you. All right, let's get back to it. So who wants to move to Luxembourg? Luxembourg is the richest country in the world in terms of GDP per capita. This country boasts of the highest average salaries in the European Union. So one of the benefits of moving to Luxembourg to work is that you increase your income. Even though this country has the highest wages, the government still subsidizes cost of living by providing free transportation to everybody. There is currently a thriving job market in key sectors in the country, such as in ICT and technology, healthcare, engineering, construction, and agriculture. The government is heavily investing in the Digital Luxembourg initiative, creating a booming tech scene for opportunities in fintech, data analytics, and cybersecurity. Luxembourg is also a surprising leader in the space sector and a key logistics hub in Europe. The job market is currently booming, so this is the best time to move to the country. So if you're looking at a country where you can go settle, get your permanent residency and your citizenship, Luxembourg is that country for you. Just after 5 years of residing and working in Luxembourg, you can apply for your citizenship. This country has everything you need: safety, a good work-life balance, all the amenities you need, and it is a strong multilingual country. So getting along with English here is very easy, as half the population in Luxembourg are foreigners. If you like to land an overseas visa sponsorship job real fast, I recommend that you join my mentorship program for work visas. In this mentorship program, I'll be helping you to move abroad for work by streamlining your professional career, helping you with your CV and cover letter, prepping you for interviews, and giving you direct access to thousands of employers in the top countries you love to move to. My work visa mentorship program covers all countries: the US, Canada, UK, Germany, Japan, anywhere around the world you want to move to for work. I can help you get that done. To join my mentorship program, please do use the link in the description box below or send me an email and I'll share the instructions with you. The WhatsApp group has opened already and so many of you have joined. So join us in the WhatsApp group. We're going to be having live sessions on Zoom. There are so many bonus resources you're going to be getting from joining my work visa mentorship. So if you want to land an overseas job, a visa sponsorship job, you want to have access to direct employers that are hiring internationally, then please do join my work visa mentorship program. So to apply for jobs in Luxembourg, do prepare your CV to be the Europass format and then begin to apply for jobs. So in today's video, I want to show you key employers in the country that hire foreign workers with visa sponsorship. The first one I want to show you here is Ferrero. Ferrero has its global headquarters here in Luxembourg and they deal on consumer goods. As the international headquarters for a world-renowned confectionery company, Ferrero actively recruits a diverse global workforce to support its iconic brand like Nutella and Ferrero Rocher. You can find roles in marketing specialist, product manager, supply chain coordinator, R&D specialist. Ferrero provides sponsored work visas and offer assistance with relocation, including housing support. You can start your career here with this company and apply for the jobs that they have. Whether you're a student or a new graduate, there are jobs here available to you. You can see here some trainee jobs that you can take, and then there are other jobs for highly skilled workers and people that have been in the workforce for quite a while. You can see they currently have 500 job positions here. So go through the list, see the one you qualify for, and send in your application. Next on the list here is Deloitte. Deloitte is a major player in Luxembourg, offering a wide range of services. Their commitment to a multinational workforce makes them a prime destination for international consultants and analysts. You can see roles for audit managers, risk analysts, tax specialists, business analysts, IT consultants, and much more. Deloitte offers full visa sponsorship and a structured relocation program that includes guidance on accommodation and local integration. Search Deloitte jobs. This is where you come to find a job. So you can go by industry and look for the job that you want. There are trainee jobs here, graduate jobs, and experienced jobs. So do explore all of them and then apply for the ones you qualify for. The next one I want to show you here is Luxair. As Luxembourg's flagship carrier, Luxair offers a range of careers in aviation. The company recruits internationally for both flight operations and corporate functions. You could find roles for pilots, flight attendants, ground operations staff, HR specialists, customer support agents, and much more. Luxair assists with the work visa application process and provides support for training and initial temporary accommodation. This is the careers page, so you can come here and find a role that you qualify for and send out your application. You can see the current vacancies here: accounting internship, they have first officer, IT quality accountant, captain, production planning, and much more. There are engineering roles here as well, so you can apply for that. Next one here is SES. SES operates a premier satellite fleet connecting and broadcasting to a global audience. They consistently seek top international talent in engineering, technology, and operations. Roles you can find here are satellite engineer, IT systems administrator, network operations specialist, customer service manager, and much more. SES provides visa sponsorship for eligible candidates and supports employees with relocation and housing arrangements. This is the careers page, so you can just check the opportunities that are available here, see the roles that match your profile, and you can send in your application. They have many jobs here, as you can see on the map. So find your job and send in your application. All right, that is it for now. Do apply for the jobs here and let me know in the comments other roles that you would like to see. Just comment below the country you're watching from and your occupation so I can do videos that will be useful to you. Hey everyone, I bring you good news. Moving to Ireland just got easy. The Republic of Ireland is now a top destination for experts looking to work abroad. So if you want to go work abroad, I highly recommend Ireland for many reasons. It is an English-speaking country, which removes the language barrier that makes it very easy for you to integrate into a new country. Ireland also has very favorable visa options for you. Settling in Ireland is the fastest and easiest right now. Ireland is actively receiving foreign workers. As a highly skilled worker, you can get your permanent residency in Ireland in 2 years and citizenship in 5 years. You can move with your family immediately. I have put together an ebook that contains all the visa information you need about Ireland, how to move to Ireland as a highly skilled worker, as a skilled trades worker, and as a healthcare worker. Not only that, I have put together all the employers in Ireland that are currently hiring foreign workers. Getting this ebook is like me having a one-on-one consultation with you, giving you a step-by-step guide, holding your hand through the process from start to finish to land a job in Ireland and moving down to the country to begin your new life. It is easy to read and you can access it on your mobile phone, on a tablet and your laptop. I also have CV templates and cover letter templates, samples of CVs and cover letters that you can edit to apply to these jobs. This ebook also has so many bonus resources. I put together this ebook so that anyone that buys this ebook can move to Ireland within the next 3 months. To get this ebook, please use the link in the description box below or send me an email and I'll be more than happy to share the link with you. Grab your own copy of the Work in Ireland ebook and I hope to see you in Ireland within the next 3 months.